Hey, let's try out this jump starter by NexPow. So I want to open the box, but let me tell you, I'm excited about this because I've been wanting one compact for a while because I have a different brand that was given to me as a Christmas gift several years ago that's supposed to be able to jumpstart a car, but it never has been able to. So the only thing that I've been carrying it around for in my vehicle is to charge phones and devices on road trips. Hopefully this one will be able to not just jumpstart a car, but also give us the feature to be able to charge things going down the road. So let's open it up and see what's in the box. So let's open the box. As you can see, it's 12,800 milliamp hours and 1,500 amps. It's made by NexPow. And let's give this an open. Let's see. There's our manual. Oh, there's our prized possession, our jump starter. And just looking at it, it's really light. And you can see how big it is. It's much smaller than the other one that I have, no doubt. So let's look at what's featured here. You got a couple of USBs, and you've got like a Type-C input and a DC, and then I'm assuming this is where you probably plug your cables to boost your car off. And then you've got a power button up here. Oh, looks like you've got a flashlight over here as well. So let's keep digging into this box and see what else. Okay, all right, here we go. We've got a USB. I'm assuming this is like a USB charger for your jump starter as well. I'm assuming you can also charge it with a DC if you've got that, but it doesn't look like that's included, but no big deal. And obviously this is what we are going to jump start our batteries with. So that's what's in the box. It looks nice. It feels very well made. So now we need to put it to the test. Now you may say, how are you going to jump start your battery? Because not everybody just has a car sitting around with a dead battery, right? And I don't. But I have friends, and one friend is a mechanic for our county, and we're gonna go give it a shot on some of the cars that he has out there that actually have dead batteries, see how that goes. Let's go. Let's make sure it's fully charged before we go test it out. So here we are. We are on the lookout for a car with a dead battery. All right, we got this. Here we go. Are you starting? Okay. You heard that? Dead battery. All right, so get it. Red to red. Black.
Yep.
And when you got it hooked good, that green light's gonna come on like that. Now we're just gonna turn it on and see what happens. Cool. There we go. Rolling. So one of the reasons why I wanted one of these was to be able to jump start a battery, and it worked. So which is great news, because if I'm out traveling or if I'm caught in the middle of nowhere, my battery dies, which could happen, I'm not going to be stranded. I've got the ability to get myself going and back on the road again. And even after that jump start, I've still got half the battery life. So possibly could jump start another battery, but I definitely could at least charge things like a phone, iPad, whatever it may be, which is what I'm going to go try to do right now. All right, so here we have two USB cords, two devices, iPhone, iPad, and we're going to turn it on. And we're charging two at one time. Yay. And as a bonus, it has a flashlight with 3 different settings. So 2 thumbs up to the NexPow. I really like it. Glad I've got it. Now I've just got to recharge it and put it back in my vehicle. Thanks for watching.